Heddie Howe, Newcastle manager, congratulates the crucial performed by the Arsenal Football Club and their head coach Mikel Arteta. He appreciates them and he has been saying that they were playing very well, of course, from the starting point of the match up to the last minute of the match, as Arsenal were so good. They were so glad. As of course, they deserved it that today the 3 points at their home stadium. As now, Heddie Howe said that his boys, his lads played, but they were not just concentrating on the match. As they lost the concentration. That's why the game was so difficult on their side. As what he has observed from today's match. Heddie Howe says Newcastle players were out of the concentration as they did not concentrate on the match. That's why the game was so difficult on the side, and as a result, they considered those two goals, the two goals which were so incredible, fantastic goals from the Arsenal. The first goal of the Arsenal scored by Odegaard, and it was just an incredible goal, fantastic goal. And the second goal was just scored by Martinelli, and by the way, it was just an own goal which was resulted by Gabriel Martinelli, the left wing of the Arsenal Football Club. And of course, Arsenal has been performing very well, incredibly, and currently they have the good performance. He will accept that, and he knows what the quality of the Arsenal Football Club. In fact, he used to say that he has been preparing now for the next matches of